We'd all love to look 10 years younger, but how do you do that without surgery? I've got the answers for you on this video today. My name is Dr. Anthony Youn, and I'm known as America's Holistic Plastic Surgeon. I'm here to help you look your best with the right foods, clean skincare, and the latest in non-invasive treatments. And if you are going to consider actual surgery, I'll show you how to do that safely and holistically. And on this video today, we're going to talk all about how to look 10 years younger. I'm going to give you my top 5 tips, and these are going to blow your mind. My number 5 tip on how to look 10 years younger is to use a brightening cream. Now, you may have issues with age spots or sunspots or liver spots. These are all different names for basically the same thing. And the only way to get rid of these spots is to actively get rid of them using a cream or using lasers. So I recommend a good brightening cream with ingredients such as licorice root extract, kojic acid, or niacinamide. And there are a lot that you can find over the counter. Try these, and within about 6 to 8 weeks, you should start seeing those age spots disappear and your skin look younger, maybe even 10 years younger. My number 4 tip to look 10 years younger is to try intermittent fasting or the fasting mimicking diet. So intermittent fasting is otherwise known as time-restricted eating, and it's restricting your eating interval to about 8 hours, sometimes less during the day. So a lot of people do intermittent fasting by not eating after 8 p.m. and then holding off on eating until noon the next day. Another way to do this is the fasting mimicking diet. This is a 5-day, low-calorie, plant-based diet where you trick your body into thinking that you're actually fasting for those 5 days. So why is it that intermittent fasting or the fasting mimicking diet can help you look younger? Well, it's the process called autophagy. Autophagy is an intracellular process where your body actually clears itself of intracellular debris. It's basically like a self-cleaning mechanism that your body can go through. Now, that's not necessarily going to make you look younger, but it's the step after that that does. So once your body goes through this autophagy process, then it goes into this process where it actually starts developing stem cells. And it's this process of renewal of the body. Intermittent fasting and the fasting mimicking diet can do that for you. My number 3 tip to look 10 years younger is microneedling. Now, microneedling is something that must be done either at a med spa, a dermatologist, or a plastic surgeon's office. But this is a very mild treatment where an esthetician or a nurse makes tiny little punctures in your skin utilizing an automated device. And through these tiny punctures, your skin can actually rejuvenate itself and the collagen can actually get tighter. You get rid of fine lines, you can tighten up your skin, and it gives you a nicer complexion. And if you want to actually take microneedling to the next level, you can consider PRP with it, platelet-rich plasma. That's where we draw blood from you, spin it down, remove the platelets that are chock full of growth factors, and place that mixture on top of the skin after microneedling. Now, why I recommend microneedling over, let's say, some laser treatments in this video is because microneedling is not as expensive as so many other things. You can conceivably pay upwards of $150 to $300 for a microneedling session versus thousands for laser treatments. My number 2 tip on how to look 10 years younger is to use retinol. Now, if I were to pick any one anti-aging skincare ingredient, it would be retinol. Retinol is a form of vitamin A. A prescription strength version is tretinoin, otherwise known as Retin A. Retinol is the over-the-counter version that you can buy. I mean, really, most skincare companies have a retinol cream. And what I recommend is to apply that cream every night to your skin and give it about 1 to 2 to even up to 3 months sometimes. You're going to see your skin turning over more quickly. It helps to exfoliate your skin. It helps to even get rid of fine lines and blemishes. So if you were to pick one anti-aging cream, try retinol. And my number 1 tip on how to look 10 years younger is to consider Botox. Now, you may have thought about Botox, but you're afraid of looking weird or strange. Well, as long as you stick starting out with 2 areas, either the glabella or the crow's feet, the chances are you're going to get a really, really nice result. What you want to do is avoid the forehead. The forehead is the area where if it's injected inappropriately or improperly, you can get weird appearances from your eyebrows looking strange to even what we call a frozen forehead. So stick with the glabella and the crow's feet. And if you want to take it one step further, may want to consider doing the DAO muscles. If you've got a bit of a permanent frown, injecting the tiniest amount of Botox here and here can help lift the corners of the mouth and help you look a bit more pleasant. What you apply to your skin can make a tremendous impact on how old it looks and how healthy it is. So I created a playlist just for you right here, and it's all about what to apply to your skin in the morning and in the evening and what to avoid putting on your skin to look as young and as healthy as possible. Check it out.